Good morning, everybody. Welcome to what is our 8th annual MLK Day of Service, or day on, not day off. This was something that we started 8 years ago, really to do a couple of things. We wanted to make sure that Shady Side was looking to the city of Pittsburgh and our students and families, trying to help out in any way that we can. We believe that service is a really important thing for our kids to be participating in. And this was a way for us to really do it as an entire school community.
For the kids, it's a great way for them to kind of understand what it means to be doing service in their lives, and I think also they all get so kind of consumed with the work they're doing at school that it's an opportunity for them to get out and be a part of the Pittsburgh community. So it's something that we hope will lay the groundwork for future service efforts, not just today, but when they're at school and as they get older. We hope this is something that will stick with them for a while.
Okay, so today at the junior school, we are giving back to the community in so many different ways. There's so many groups that need our help, and I think it's such a great chance for children as young as 4 to be here to try to instill in them the art of giving back.
We're so lucky to have all these, to be healthy and happy, so we should give to others who aren't as healthy.
So I just think there's so many people out there who need our help, and if I can help, I'm willing to help.
It's always a great day for me personally, but also for us as a school to be able to give back a little bit in honor of Martin Luther King Jr., who of course is one of the, I think, most important figures that we can really aspire to be like.
And I especially think that the service projects we're able to do today are really important because we get to see the people that we're making the food with, and it's so much more impactful that way.
I think especially today it's important to give back and to help support the community in general in the Pittsburgh area. In these days, I think there's so much divisiveness that this is our chance to really kind of bring the community together.
What we've done today is we've made blankets for veterans, we've made some flowers for the female veterans' rooms, we made Valentine's Day cards and distributed them, and I think one of the best parts watching the kids was their interactions with the veterans themselves. Our kids were pretty wide-eyed, and it's a wonderful thing for them to actually see these people who they hear about all the time, but actually get to interact with them and thank them.
Bingo!
As we can. Yeah, it's dry.
Some pounds of lasagna.
So we brought all of the fixings and
then we had VA.
It's good to give back to the community, and that everybody's done so much for us, and it's only right to give back.